Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you? I am attorney Charles Zavala here from Zavala, Texas Law in beautiful Houston, Texas. Today is January 11th, 2022. I got a quick little video today. It's regarding immigration. If you have ever submitted applications to immigration, actually, hold on, my cam seemed a little... There you go, back in focus. If you ever submitted paperwork to immigration, they can either approve you, deny you. They can send you what's called an RFE, which stands for Request for Evidence. They can send you a notice of intent to deny, blah, blah, blah. They can send you a lot of stuff. So the reason why this video exists is given when COVID happened and the world kind of shut down a little bit, USCIS, United States Customs Immigration Services, that's the agency that deals with all the immigration paperwork, they came out with a guideline saying, look, because COVID's going on, because the world's kind of pretty slow right now, they extended the amount of time in which you can respond to a lot of the documents they send. So an example, let's pretend I am applying for citizenship, right? For one of my clients, I send them all the paperwork. Sometimes immigration, for whatever reason, they misplace it, they want more evidence, or who knows. They'll send you what's called an RFE, Request for Evidence. And in that, they say, look, this is what's missing, or this is what we would like to see, and you have until this date to send it. So that guideline now that came out due to COVID, they're essentially saying, look, that date that we're telling you isn't the final date, right? They'll give you a little bit of leeway. So, but this only applies for applications that you received the notice back between March 1st, 2020 and March 26th, 2022. So you kind of have like a 2-year window if you received any sort of paperwork for immigration, including, and this is it, it's request for evidence, notice of intent to deny, notice of intent to revoke, notice of intent to rescind, and notice of intent to terminate, right? So if you received any of those, normally they give you an X amount of time for you to respond. They haven't extended that for COVID, right? So I still recommend, the moment you get one of those, respond to it as quick as you can because you want your application to be pending again. However, for anyone who's received any of those and said, oh, I missed the date they said on it, my application's over. No, you're not completely out of the game. So that's what this video is about, okay? So if you have anything that you need to send immigration that they're expecting to, they gave you a little bit more grace period, but for your own sake, go ahead and send it just so it's not on your plate anymore, okay? Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to call me at this number. Bye-bye.